How to turn off inbox messages on Starbucks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable the inbox messages on Starbucks. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as inbox messages. So simply toggle off that option and that's it. That's how you can disable inbox messages. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.